Apple weather makes me want to quit. Yes, I've seen what the apps are saying. No, we are not getting 20 inches. We're not going to get anywhere near that amount. Right now, the models are just trying to throw something on the wall, and they're just going way overboard with it. That's not going to happen in the Mid-South. However, what they are signaling is a better chance of seeing snow as we head into the weekend. So the models right now are struggling really bad. The thing is, it's not just the long range, even the near term is rough. The models were all pointing at mid to upper 30s for highs today. I made a high of 37 for my forecast for today, Monday, and we got up to 43. 6 degrees of error doesn't happen a lot on the first day of the forecast. For tomorrow, we always aim for 3 degrees of accuracy. That's a very good 85 or better % margin for our running score for that. But anyway, the models are doing terrible in the near term, so that's why they're spitting out these 10, 20 inches of snowfall. That's not going to happen. What has changed, though, is the models are actually throwing our temperatures now only into the teens for lows and 20s for highs, both Saturday and Sunday. So that's looking a little bit better for snow chances. So the Weather Prediction Center has sent out these maps. So this one we're looking at here is Saturday. We'll get to Sunday in a moment, but this is the probability of exceeding a 1/4 inch of liquid equivalent of sleet or snow. What does that mean? So if you just say we get snow and you melt it all down, and we have a 1/4 inch. Now, with this kind of a setup, we're probably looking at about a 10 inches of snow equals 1 inch of rain kind of ratio. This is how we sort of forecast snow, is just how much the snow would be rain if it were above freezing. So with that product exceeding a 1/4 inch, that would be, if it's 10 to 1, maybe 2 to 3 inches of snow. So that would be good. That's for Saturday. This is for Sunday, and we have another good swath of that. So this would be conceivably showing up, anywhere 3 to 5 inches of snow would be a very conservative and very preliminary total forecast for that. So, and that's only up to 50%. This doesn't quite hit that blue shade there, which would be the 50%. So I'm hesitantly saying, if you're looking at, 17 inches on your app, throw that out. If you're seeing something that's saying, maybe 2 to 5, that's a more reasonable range, but it's still very early at this point. It's still only Monday, and we're still several days out. We'll keep you updated, though, on the forecast right here at ABC 24.